The Tiswadi Taluka Enforcement Squad cracked down on establishments in Panjim for failing to display no smoking signs. From kiosks and shops to showrooms and even bank branches, no one was spared. The drive is part of a strict campaign to curb public smoking and enforce tobacco sale regulations.
So today the Tiswadi Taluka Enforcement Squad for checking of violations of KOTPA, that is the Cigarette and Tobacco Control Act, were covering the area of Panjim city today, as there have been series of complaints that the section 4 and section 6A are being violated, wherein the proper signage that has to be displayed in the establishments prohibiting smokers from coming into the establishment and smoking. So today, under the leadership of Mr. Kaushik Desai, the enforcement squad went in various places today, and we have booked the cases today. However, we had a very unfortunate incident that when we went to the State Bank of India Treasury branch, the manager not being there, we asked the assistant manager to pay the challan. She refused and made us wait, kept the Mamledar standing for half an hour. Now, this was really shocking for us to see the attitude of the bank officials. Now this act is 22 years old. It is an act of 2003, and all banks are supposed to compulsory put this no smoking signage in their premises because customers are visiting, as also in the ATMs. Because now we have found some smokers are also going in the ATMs which are AC, and that impacts the people visiting the ATMs because of second-hand and third-hand smoke. So this drive will carry on. It is going on in various talukas, but today specifically we have taken up in Panjim because we have been getting a series of complaints, and therefore earlier the collector also, district collector, had made it a point that in all talukas this drive should be carried on extensively. So today we have done part of the area today in Panjim.
How much is the fine for each establishment when
so,
there is
non-display of the board on no smoking is a violation of section 4 and the fine is 200 rupees. Whereas if a person is selling cigarettes, he is also supposed to display a board under section 6A which says that no tobacco substances can be sold to children or persons under the age of 18 years of age. So under these two sections we are booking the cases, and accordingly we are submitting the report to the collector. Along with this, the Director of Health Services and various primary health centers are doing an intense campaign also to inform people about the impact of smoking, and the similar drives are also done to check for foreign cigarettes being sold which are not carrying the pack warnings. Every cigarette packet has to carry the no smoking signage. It's a pack warning, and also the quit helpline has to be shown on the cigarette packets. So those cases also, if we come across, we are booking them for sale of foreign cigarettes and or in possession of chewing tobacco.
Vincent Rosario, Subhashish Guvekar and Vaishnavi Salgoankar for Goa 365